Hello students, welcome back. Let's try to solve the next question. It is given the average expenditure for Mr. Sharma for January to June is rupees 4,200 and he spent rupees 1,200 in January and rupees 1,500 in July. Now they're asking us to find out the average expenditure for the months of February to July, right? So this is very simple. So what we are supposed to do is let's quickly write it properly. This is January, February, March, April, May, and then you have June, and then you have July, right? So it is mentioned that the average from January to June. What is the average from January to June, students? The average from January to June is nothing but 4,200. When average is given to us, can we calculate the total expenditure? This is average expenditure, right? Now, what is the total expenditure? Total expenditure is nothing but how many months are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 months into 4,200. What is it? 6 months into 4,200. So this 6 into 4,200 is nothing but 25,200. What is it? 25,200. So now we know the total expenditure from Jan to June, which is 25,200. Also, it was given that this guy has actually spent 1,200 in January alone. What is it? This guy has actually spent rupees 1,200 in January alone and 1,500 in July. What is it? 1,500 in July. How much did he spend in July? He spent 1,500 in July. What is the average expenditure for the months of February and until July? So now what is he asking? He's asking us to find out the average from February to July. What is he asking? He's asking us to find out the average from February to July. How can I find it out? It's very simple. We have the average from January to June, which is 25,200. But now I want the average from February to June. How would I get it? It is very simple. I have 25,200 with me, which is the average from January to June. Now, if I remove the expenditure from expenditure of January from 25,200, I would get the average only from February to June. So what am I doing now? I'm just subtracting 25,200 is the total expenditure from Jan to June. What is it? Jan to June. And from this, I'm trying to subtract the expenditure of January. Then what happens? Which is 1,200. So 25,200 minus 1,200 is nothing but how much? 25,200 minus 1,200 is nothing but 24,000. Right, students? Now, what do I have? I have February, March, April, May, June. I have this to be how much? 24,000. Right? That is what we have found out now. And for July, it is already given in the question that it is 1,500. Now, we need to find out the average of these two amounts. It's very simple. What is the total amount, students? 24,000 plus 1,500. 24,000 plus 1,500, which is your how much? 24,000 plus 1,500 is it's 25,500, right? Now, we need to find out this average. So this average is nothing but 25,500 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 25,500 divided by 6. This is going to be 4,250. Are you clear? That's amazing. Let's quickly try to solve the next question.